Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to edit your Instagram feed without deleting your post. This is quick and simple, so just follow me. This only works for Instagram posts with 3 or more slides. So first, open your Instagram app. And now, as you can see, I uploaded a 3 post here, the images of AD, Braun, and Reeves. And as you can see, AR is the one at the site. So I want to make AD as my picture here at my timeline, so just click the post here. So go tap the 3 dots icon and look for edit. So swipe left and pick Reeves, and you will see a trash icon at the top left corner of the screen. So just tap on it. So let's go back here, and now it's good. And it's the one and AD is the one we are seeing. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.